I come from an agriculture background and I have worked on dairy cooperatives during my master's. So it is a kind of continuation which I'm taking in my doctoral studies. So I'm working on farmer producer organizations, particularly in the state of Karnataka. Now I'm in the stage of I did only secondary research or in the stage of literature review, what we call in terms of academics. But as part of this project or the book we are putting together, so I got the opportunity to go to the field, interact with many stakeholders of the FPO. So I feel that one of the major thing I observed in the all discussion we had, FPCs are on the one hand majorly facing the problem of capital access, which we are trying to address. And there is no answer from either of the promoting agencies or the stakeholders, various stakeholders involved in that, or the academicians. There is no answer to that question. So in that perspective, I'm interested in looking at what is that constraining FPOs and accessing credit. On the other hand, what is that is the criteria which the financial institutions are not able to see from the collective enterprises perspective. So this would be my interesting area to explore. I look forward to work on that. I can say it was all in a wholesome, it was a good experience. But when initially the project was started, I was in dilemma, I call it, because when I was put together with all three big people, Mr. Bala, who's heading Ruti, and Mr. Parthasarathi, who's heading Skill Green, and the other is Gayatri, who's a project coordinator for Myrida. So I was in dilemma like how to approach these people. Will they able to respond me, or the kind of response? I was in very much dilemma when I was put together with all these three big people. But when in the course of discussion, I understood that whenever I got a chance to interact with them, they were all open to listen to my ideas. And even though I don't have any field experience or the learnings from the field, I had a very good learning from all the three people. And even they were, all the times they accepted and inculcated the kind of suggestions I have given as part of our case studies. So it's a great learning I had with all the three people. It was a wonderful journey for me, at least. One was that we could not make the initial field visits which we planned due to second wave of COVID. I think that was the right time to do a field visit, because that time already collective enterprises were facing few kind of problems, and that is the time where we had few harvest in that regions. So that was the one challenge we faced. We could not make it and we made it later. Then the other one was like, as a practitioner, they wanted to drive the case study in one direction. As an academician, I wanted to drive that case study in the other direction. So later there was a confusion among us in which direction we want to drive our case study. So then again, through a series of peer reviews I got from you, Professor Shambhu and others, so then we sat together and worked out a plan how we want to take the case study. And the third one was like, we had a gap between the writings we made and the field visits when it happened. So there we had a kind of gap which we had. Now we are again working on that. Look forward to the book volume soon. For me, the amazing part was I have never had an opportunity to interact with practitioners, academicians, policymakers and researchers together on the same platform. That was the first time I got opportunity to interact in terms of in a series of case study workshops we had, consultation we had, and many other things as part of the book volume. So when I got to interact with so many people, I got very different kind of insights from the different kind of people I have interacted. When I talked to Sudha Narayan from IG Idea, she gives me a different perspective of working on collective enterprises. When I talk to CS Reddy, who is heading APMAS for 20 years, he gives me a different kind of perspective how to look at collective enterprises. So I think this all helped me to a lot to rethink about my research idea. So I had come up with a very pre-decided idea that I'll work on this on FPOs. But this is the high time for me to change my idea. And I'm glad that I got opportunity to interact with so many people in this journey. Thank you.